Aaron here. You are watching Turbo Details. In today's video, we are working on a Cadillac XTS, and this customer just wanted a nice leather clean and condition, as well as a full thorough vacuum and carpet shampoo. Most of what we did today is considered a panel wipe down to most, but we were as thorough as possible to get this vehicle in tip-top shape. As always, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. Thanks again, and enjoy the video. Now, you can pick up this Hoover Spot Clean vacuum in the description below. We have all of our links, by the way, to Amazon. These are affiliate links, so we do get a small commission on anything you guys purchase, but go ahead, click through, and see if anything interests you, especially if you're a detailer. The Hoover is extremely inexpensive, especially for starters looking to get started into mobile auto detailing. However, we had just picked up a Aqua Pro Vac, and that actually came in the other day, so we will be showcasing it in the next video. For anyone interested in our method, we put hot water only in our extractor, and we spray it as we go with the first pass or two, and then we suck up all of the rest of the water without spraying any other solution or water towards the end. The last thing you want is your customers to get into a wet vehicle. Now, I'm not going to lie here, this was probably the dirtiest part of the vehicle, and it's not that dirty. Something you want to take into consideration is called impossible carpet, and that's what's in most trunks and actually some floors of vehicles. What this impossible carpet is, it has so small fibers that anything that gets stuck in them is completely embedded. Now, one way we found to get this out of the impossible carpet is to use a drill brush. So that's a drill along with a drill brush attachment, and you can find that in the description below. I've included a kit for you to pick up, and the drill brush tends to grasp all the carpet fibers very rapidly to remove any debris that's underneath the carpet fibers. Another method is using a lily brush to brush away the carpet fibers and see if anything embedded comes out. Both of those are linked in the description for you. Comment down below, guys, how you are enjoying the sounds-only videos. A lot of people seem to think it's a little bit more satisfying, especially with the voiceover. A great way to support the channel currently is to just go ahead and like the video, as well as sharing it with your friends. When you like and comment on the video, it gets thrown into the YouTube algorithm, and YouTube says, hey, let's show this video to more people. And so these videos of ours get onto other people's recommended pages, and what that does is that helps us grow. So that's the best way you can help us grow. Just after one vacuum, these carpets look pristine. I don't even think they needed a carpet shampoo, but we did it anyways. In this shot, you can see one of our helpers here, Alex. He is going ahead and cleaning off these door panels, spraying some 303 APC along with a detail brush. He's getting in all the cracks and crevices, as well as around the buttons and the door handle, anything that has any debris stuck in it or that needs a little bit of an extra scrub. Then he's using a Sam's Club microfiber towel, and he's just going to clean up any extra solution that is left on the door panels and cleaning up the dirt.
Wow, still scared me. Time to go. Yes. No sense. What? Wait, inside button. Thing. Just dusty. I do those on. I'll do those on that. Oh, like the whole thing, and I go back and do all the stuff that I see it. Got it.
Now a tip for all you detailers out there, you want to spray a ton of product, especially in the sun, because what tends to happen is the product tends to dry before you can wipe it away, and that's not always the best thing for these door panels.
Kobe. He's dead. Are you gonna be busy tonight? Should be. Okay. Drew got rainbow. But he told me he's like really bad. So. I don't know. Drew had a computer since we were like 8, but like a real computer, so I don't know what he has. Yeah, but he had a laptop. Well, I'm sure he has a gaming laptop. What the hell is that? What? It's like weird nut grease. Oh, yeah. Okay. Dashboard time. The door is pretty dirty. Dirtier than the other ones. Ready? Let's roll my shot. Cadillac. Oh. I think it's like crossing in front of the camera. Yeah. You just throw that out. Okay. Cut it out. You cut it out. Wait, do you edit what Aaron does? Watch this video.
This door panel came out pretty nice.
There's so many lights on here. So many what? Like little LED spots. Oh, that's what you cut up. The client died and came back in the car. Like, what's this new thing with the car, like kills people? Pristine. I was gonna carry, but that's the one where she gets blood all over her. Carry. The car's just like, oh, speaks to manager. It just kills managers, that's how the movie. Have you ever seen the original Pristine? That is just a bulldozer. It's called Bulldozer. And it gets, this bulldozer gets like struck by this alien comet. It's so stupid. And it starts like killing people. Did you watch Chud? Oh my god, I forgot about that. See, you told me about it a couple times and I never watched it, and I always wish that I did. I know. Have you ever seen Zombie Beaver? I don't think so. So, it's like teens go to like this cabin, and like radioactive waste gets these beavers, and they become like zombie beavers, just zombie beavers, and they like eat them, and they turn to zombies. But like the whole movie is like sex. So they're like running away from the beavers, and they stop in the bathroom, and the guy's like,
That is going to wrap up the video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you made it this far, comment down below. Awesome sauce. Without further ado, you'll see some after shots. Go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn on post notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Aaron, out.